Up you guys, it's me Jasmine and I'm back with another video. Come on, do a video with me. And today, it's pretty much a run errands type of day vlog. It's a 4-day weekend, 3-day weekend, and Phoenix is just throwing everything out my car. Make sure you give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on socials and watch my latest video. And yeah, let's just keep this vlog going. But yeah, see you guys in a bit. We're at Dollar Tree, first stop. Or my bad, 125 Tree. So this Dollar Tree in Mid City actually got burnt down by the crackheads, and they just now rebuilt it. So I wonder how it's gonna look inside. You know that song, Derrick? Wow, remodeled. Feels like I'm at the Beverly Hills Dollar Tree. She done upgraded. They got fake wallpaper for these TikTokers like me. Put this on their wall. Oh my god, look, Derrick, they got the remove tile. Look, this is what Tiara's trying to do for her bathroom. She's gonna buy it on Amazon. So we're at Valvoline right now. I'm getting a quick oil change. Thinks he's watching this Yo Gabba, and Derrick's trying to get the barcode because he bought a little day on Groupon. Oh my god, adult duties. Duties, you feel like an adult?
Sick of this shit.
Yeah, rent, gas, ink, diapers, cable, internet. How much more they want us to get out of us?
We could have used actually.
So we got our car fixed up, totaled. Our car cleaned and not clean.
Damn, Tiffany, do you not know what you gotta say?
We about to go get some food at In-N-Out. Culver City one. The Culver City one's cool. They have their days. Right now, Derrick gonna get his double-double when he don't need a double-double. He need a protein-style burger. Thank you. Have a nice day. Guess who got the childish burger? And guess who got the fat burger? Oh, we only know there's one fatty in here.
Let's go, bro.
I'm about to get all these fries.
Everywhere. It's like a dream, a nightmare. Do you think Beckman's just trying to scare you? With Billy? Yeah.
Maybe you infiltrated his mind. Is it that?
Munkbang.
Just
Freddy Krueger?
he's a super burned up dude.
Nah, booger.
For fingers, and he kills you in your dreams.
Justin, seriously?
Sorry.
Phoenix went to sleep.
Like maybe the answer we're looking for is
I'm telling them.
somewhere in this incredibly vague drawing. How do you
Yeah, no shit. But I tried to
More salt? I have to chop this fucking leg off. What?
Yeah. See, I'm not.
Only thing I hate about
I don't know
shopping
if I'm
with
gonna do this one. I think I'm gonna do it.
shopping at Target with Derrick is that I ask him what does he want, and then he never says. He says he doesn't want anything, and then when we go home and then you want to snack, something like, we ain't got no snack for me. Offer you.
YouTube.
Okay.
Good job. Good job. Good job, dude. Good job. Good job, dude. Good job. Good job, my baby.
Wait. Okay.
Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
C.
Z, good job.
C.
Good job, dude.
Got pulled over for the first time since I've been driving, but he let me go. and we're at the coffee company. And we're about to eat some brunch. It's not even brunch time, it's like some brunch stuff. Brunch, but I mean breakfast. But Derrick, you going breakfast or you gonna get brunch?
I go breakfast.
Say hi. Phoenix just bit one of these and exploded. So we're at the beach right now and docks. It wasn't planned of us going here. Text the beach. Say beach.